Welcome to Between the Bytes, where we are not as smart as your average nerd. I'm Gary Arnold.
I'm Logan, and did you know that in 1971, Apollo 15 came home to Earth today, and it was our first time using the lunar rover.
Now isn't that out of this world? Ha! Just like this June Smart Oven on sale now, $100 off. The June Smart Oven is actually kind of cool, packed with a lot of features. It has a built-in scale. It can dehydrate food, air fry, as well as cook food. It has a built-in camera that will let you watch your food as it cooks. So check it out. And Logan, you know what else you can use this oven for?
Make a pie?
That's right, and speaking of pie, Android Pie is now available on the Google Pixel phones. The latest OS from Google includes UI tweaks, including a well-being dashboard as well as some gesture control features. Not every feature is available yet. More is coming in the fall, but you can download it now on your Google Pixel.
Sticking to the kitchen theme, the Army is using microwave cannons, which uses beams of radiation to disable drones. It's intended to take out missiles, but until then, they're putting C4 on drones and exploding them.
Speaking of dangerous explosives, the Samsung Galaxy Note will now have 512 gigabytes of storage available on the phablet. As if that wasn't enough storage for you, you can also get an additional 512 added in an additional SD card, bringing your phone storage to a whopping 1 terabyte. Because that's what you need in your pocket. Thanks for watching this episode of Between the Bytes. Be sure to like and subscribe. Check back next week for all the latest and greatest tech and business news. See you later.